How to import contacts from Gmail to iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to sync and import your Gmail contacts directly to your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over to your contacts.google.com and here you're gonna open all of the contacts that you have on your Google account or your Gmail account. So you can also view your contacts by opening the Gmail application. Just head over to your contacts and you'll be able to see all of your contacts over here. Now here you can see I have 2 contacts. Now if you wish to import these contacts from Gmail to iPhone, what you gotta do is head over to your iPhone settings. So I'm gonna open my iPhone settings over here, and once you're in your settings, you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom till you come to the option of apps. So click on it. And here you're going to scroll down till you find the option of contacts under the C section. So click on contacts and here you'll be able to see an option that says contacts accounts. So simply click on it. And here you're going to click on add account. Right now my contacts are associated with my iCloud account. However, if you want your contacts to take contacts from your Gmail as well, you're going to click on add accounts and here you're going to select Google because Gmail is of Google, so you can simply click on Google. If you wish to import contacts from any other email, you can select any of these from here. So I'm going to click on Google as I want to import contacts from Gmail, so simply click on it. And you will be redirected to accounts.google.com. So you need to simply type down the email from which you wish to import the contacts. So I'm going to type down my email real quick. And once you type down the email, you're going to click on next. After clicking on next, you'll be asked to type down your Gmail password. So just type down the password and click on next. And then here you're going to click on continue. Then they're going to ask that iOS wants access to your Google account. So you're going to select what iOS can access. So you can either select all or you can just specify what things you want iOS to access. I'm going to click on select all and after that scroll down, click on continue if you want to trust this iOS. And after that, you're going to give it some time to sync your contacts. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. And after that, you can head over to contacts of your phone and see that all of the contacts that you had on your Gmail account, and you'll be able to see that all of the contacts that you had on your Gmail account, you'll be able to see all of them on your iPhone contacts as well. So that was basically how you can import contacts from Gmail to iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.